Are you getting a Microsoft Visual C++ runtime error when launching Euro Truck Simulator 2? Does the game crash on startup with messages related to VC Runtime 140.dll, MSVCP 140.dll, or runtime library errors? In this video, I'll show you all the working fixes step by step to resolve the Microsoft Visual C++ runtime error in Euro Truck Simulator 2 on Windows 10 and Windows 11.
First, open the link that you'll find in the description of this video. Download the x86 installer. Download the x64 installer. Double-click the x86 installer. Accept the terms and press Install. Press Yes. Wait for the program to be installed. Press Close. Double-click the x64 installer. Accept the terms and press Install. Press Yes. Wait for the program to be installed. Press Close. Now restart your PC to apply the changes.